Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth, smart device integration. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.